Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix WhatsApp out of date. So currently I'm using a web version, so the process will be same in the web version or even the app version in mobile phones or anything. So what you need to do is, firstly what you need to do is just go to your settings. So you can see this is the settings option. So to, let's say, fix the problem, what you need to do is just go to your date, or let's say just go to your settings. Firstly just go to your settings and go for date and time. Sorry, date and time, and then date and time off settings. So note guys, set the time automatically and set the time zone automatically should be on. If like this, if it's off, just do on both things and it will fix your problem guys. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. And your let's say WhatsApp will be running smoothly. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So if you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.